Alright guys, this is my setup. I'm using two NEMA 23 380 ounce stepper motors with 1/4 inch shafts for my 2-axis X and Z for this little mini lathe. And what I tried to do here is make everything plug and play. I got two 12-foot CNC motor cables running from the servos, the stepper motors, to my driver. This is a Gecko G540 4-axis stepper driver. I got it plugged into the X and Z axis. This is my power supply. It's a 48 volt, 7.3 amp power supply. This is my wiring. This is my power. And this goes out to the driver. And my driver, I jumped my e-stop. I don't have an e-stop, so I just jumped it. Okay, when I plug this thing in, it gives me the green light. Good to go. My charge pump is off. This here is a 10-foot parallel port cable, specifically designed for stepper motors. On the SATA operation, the RAID is on. My parallel port is set to EPP, Enhanced Parallel Port Protocol. My parallel port address is set at 378H. My serial port number 1 is set to auto. All devices are enabled. This is my memory information and processor information. The system information, the BIOS version, is A15. I'm using Windows 7 Professional. Alright, I'm on the ArtSoft download page for the Mach 3. So I'm going to scroll down and download. Click on this. Okay, I'm going to save it. Probably should have just ran it. Either way it works. There's other things here. Mach 3 Vista will run under the 32-bit versions of Vista with the following okay, I'm gonna run. Yes. Okay. Sure, why not? Yep, everything but basic cam. Okay. Creating shortcuts. Okay, installing parallel port driver. Installing the parallel port driver, press the next button, and on some computers this may take a minute. Okay. No driver since installed. Run driver test. Installation successful. It is complete. Thank you for choosing Mach. Blah blah. Finish. Alrighty, we should have it. I'm gonna make one quick stop before we open up the Mach. I went to gecko.com for the Gecko G540 4-axis driver. I'm gonna go here, and in here there's software configuration file that you can download. I'm going to go ahead and download that. Okay, I'm to the driver. I'm going to right click, save target as. Come on. To download. Click on downloads. Save. Done. Okay, now also there's another file I want to install. It's called Tag1. I'll pull it up. Sometime in the near future. There was a problem sending the command to the program. Okay, no problem. That was my fault. Double click. Okay. Here it is. Can't see it. That's the tag program. I'm going to exit out of it. Okay, I want you to see this when I do it. I'm going to take that program, let me look at the computer, drag it to the Mach 3 loader, and drop. Okay, so what's in there? Okay, I should be able to exit out of this, go back to the Mach 3 loader, and reposition this. And there it is. Let me zoom in. Tag. So now I have the tag profile. So when I use it, I can just simply click on it. Zoom in, tag. Okay, so I'm going back out of this, and also just for fun, the G540. Let me zoom in, maybe. There's that G540 from the Gecko that I downloaded. I'm going to take that and also drag it over there to the Mach. Exit out of that. Yep. Okay. So that's in there too. Just in case this one don't work, I have the one specifically designed for the driver that I'm using. Alright, now we're going to review the parallel port. We're going to go to Control Panel, System and Security, Device Manager, okay, ports, COM, and LPT. Zoom in here. Let's take a good look. What's going on? Okay, ECP printer port LPT1. Okay, resources. It is using 0378. Sorry, 0378-037F. Okay, here's another one here. That's 0778-077F. All right, so we know that. That's going to be useful for when we go into the Mach software. I'm going to use the tag. Okay, we're going to go to config, ports and pins. Here we go, port number 1, enabled. The port is 0x378, just the one that it was already on, so we should be good. Motor outputs, x-axis, y, z. We don't need the y, but it's alright. X and z is good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just the same as on the driver, it shows that those are there. Okay. Input, we don't have any inputs, but it shows that the e-stop is enabled. Port 1, pin number 10, and active low. Output signals, nothing. Encoder, spindle, mill, none of that matters. Okay. As you can see in the back of the computer, I have that parallel port cable plugged in. That's running from the back of the computer into the driver. Okay, I got my X and Z cables hooked in, servos on. I'm going to go ahead and plug in my driver. Faults, then it goes and clears. Got power. Everything's good. Go ahead and set this up. I'm going to load my Mach under tag. Let me zoom in here so you can see. Straighten this camera up. Okay, so we should be good to go. Reset. I'm going to take you to diagnostics. Jog is on. I should be able to jog. Now take note to the current position. We show we have movement. See? Although we show we have movement, I'm going to go ahead and hold this down, move the camera. Okay, the Z should be moving. I'm holding down the key. The Z servo does not move. Okay, same thing with the X. Should be moving. Doesn't budge.